Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is August the 8th, 2022. We're going to talk about Chargepoint. We're just going to try to see if this market is still a buy. You guys can tell I did a video recently in Chargepoint looking for the market to go up, and it has completed our objective. So I'm coming in today to speak to you all as to what I'm noticing on the price chart. Now, to everyone who is new, again, let me plug you all in. I want you all to participate. I want you all to become part of this winning team because we're definitely in the forefront predicting prices. While everyone else is trying to tell you that you can't do it, you definitely can. I'm here to show you all that. All right, so hit the like button, and also subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification as well. Those are all the things you need to do in order to join this fantastic team. All right, now last video that I've done in Chargepoint was on June the 21st, 2022. You guys can see it. I've anticipated that the price in Chargepoint was going to go higher, and it has completed that move. You guys can see it really wasn't too long, maybe 3 or 4 trading days. The market in Chargepoint came to where I really expected it to go, right there around $15.50. And since then, we've noticed, I want you all to understand, we've noticed that the market was getting rejected right there around the vicinity to which we were here to take the profit right there, right? So I'm not surprised to see Chargepoint come back down on the 28th of June. That is why we were already in position to profit before the price went back down to $12. You guys can see that. So that's what, 11%. Then the market quickly came back up to this restriction area in Chargepoint, but this time is different. It's different. Now, what is different about the market breaking or coming back up here to this $15.50 area than what it did the last time? Towards the ending of June, what changed? Can you see this? Because once you can see what happened into the market in Chargepoint, you will begin to say, yeah, the market may be still a buy. The chart is giving us answers every day. Every time that the market is open, we have market participants, we have human beings, we have algorithms, we have high frequency traders, we have a lot of people active in stocks. And when they deploy real money to these positions, they're not playing around. So we can believe the price chart. That is why I always tell you all that charts don't lie. People cannot lie when it comes to the money. So let me show you what I think is going on. Okay, so the thing that changed from when Chargepoint came up here to $15 to $16 from now is that we are now trading outside of this downtrend line. The market in Chargepoint broke away from outside of this downtrend. This downtrend has been in place since Chargepoint since June of last year. The market has been going down. And now today, the market decided to trade outside of it. So we are a little bit more bullish in that sense. The market is not trending down anymore. Now you guys can even see it here, how the market in Chargepoint even bounced off of the downtrend line to confirm to us. The market is telling us, hey, look guys, I'm breaking outside of this downtrend line, and to give you proof, these 4 trading days right here, I'm going to maintain the price above it. The price on these 4 days in Chargepoint did not even close below that descending line. That's powerful information. It tells us that the buyers will open up their wallets in Chargepoint right there around $15. It's very good information right there for us to know. So now let me go ahead and show you all. Let's go ahead and change this up, because if we're not in a downtrend in the market in Chargepoint, then obviously we may be in an uptrend. Okay, so let me go ahead and cut this out, and our attention is going to be on Chargepoint, keeping in line with this upward trend. Now that's how we're going to focus in on this price move. So now we'll understand that as long as Chargepoint trades above that ascending line, we're going to maintain our bullishness. Okay, so let me come in here and straighten this up a little bit better. So now let's go ahead and look at this on a weekly chart, because I'm still here to show you all that the overall strength here in Chargepoint is still being seen on a long-term basis. Let me zoom in here on the chart. Now I wanted to show you that these last 2 weeks, okay, look at this one. And then look at this weekly price bar. Both of these weekly price bars started out the week going down, right? Meaning that there was selling going on pretty much the last 3 weeks. You guys can even see it on this weekly price bar. But the market in Chargepoint is being very formidable into not letting price fall. That tells us again that buyers are coming into the market in Chargepoint and buying up this stock. And I like how the market on last week closed at the high of the bar. So there's still some movement here. There's still some energy here in the tank in Chargepoint to allow this price to trend higher. Now, I want you all to see this too though, because we are hitting restriction right now. Because during the week of June 6, 2022, the market in Chargepoint fell back down. Look at this weekly price bar. The week of June 21st, 2022, price got rejected, and definitely here on the week of June 27th. So I want to bring that to your attention too. That's the risk right now that we are seeing into the market in Chargepoint, is the inability of it to trade above $16. We've been here before. Okay. Now, right here on this 2 weekly price bar, right, this one, I wanted to show you this too. Okay, because this one spread of this 2 weekly price bar has erased the spread of the last 3 2 weekly price bars. That tells us that this market is trying to move higher as well. Okay, so it's pretty much simple. The strength is still here on the chart in Chargepoint, so I'm going to continue to play the move higher, but I'm going to be real conservative because I do see $17.50, $18 as the first area, and then possibly around $19.50 to $20 as the third area. Now that's going to occur, in my opinion, in a long-term basis. Okay, it might take a while for us to actually see that play out. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart. In the market in Chargepoint, that 5-day price bar looks good too. All right, so now let me go and put this down so you all can see what my expectations are. Now we already know as long as price trades above this ascending line, we're going to continue to play the strength here. We're going to continue to expect the market's going to go higher. We're not going to let the market trick us into thinking that the market's going to go down. Okay. And that first price target I told you was around like $17.50 to $18. Okay. So let's do $17.50. That's around 9%. 18 give us around 12.14. And then my second one is going to be around 20 or 19. Do around here. Okay, so that's it right there. So currently on multiple time frames, we're seeing how the market in Chargepoint is still exhibiting to a strength. Just be careful on this earnings, which is due the 1st of September, to see some volatility that might actually push the price back down, because we've actually seen a pretty good move in Chargepoint since mid-July. We've already seen the market run up 47%. So that is it. I'm still looking for the market to give us a little bit more movement higher. I'm giving you a couple of price targets. So now I want to know, what are your price targets? Where are you expecting the price in Chargepoint to go? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.